Hey lab enthusiast! Did you know that something as seemingly harmless as contaminated air can pose serious risks to your health and research? In a laboratory setting, various experiments and processes release hazardous substances into the air. These substances can include toxic chemicals, volatile organic compounds, biological agents, and particulate matter. When we breathe in contaminated air, it can have immediate and long-term effects on our health. Contaminated air can irritate the respiratory system, leading to coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Furthermore, prolonged exposure to contaminated air can contribute to chronic health conditions such as asthma, bronchitis, and even respiratory diseases. That's why proper ventilation systems, such as GD Waldner fume hoods, are crucial in laboratories. They help remove harmful substances from the air, protecting both researchers and experiments. With GD Waldner fume hoods, we can ensure that our laboratory air remains clean and safe, allowing us to focus on our research without compromising our health. Together, let's prioritize air quality in laboratories for a healthier and more productive future with GD Waldner fume hoods.